We welcome you tonight for the United States Hockey Hall of Fame induction celebration, formally recognizing the class of 2020 and of 2021.
It was a dream, you know, watching hockey, talking about hockey. It's as easy as breathing. I never thought I would get any reward because the reward was in the writing.
Pretty overwhelming, you know, and something you don't think about, you know, as you go along and over the years, and finally something like this happens. It's pretty awesome.
What an extraordinary night. What a tremendous collection of individuals who have provided so much to promote hockey in the U.S.